Hi friends, how you doing? I hope you're well. Saralee Hofrichter here of SaraleeHofrichter.com. And when I sat quietly and asked, what is the message we all need to hear for July 2026, I pulled the Tree of Earth, which is Queen of Discs in traditional tarot. So this card to me represents the full integration of all the hard work you've been through and are doing. Your grounded, organized, and practical nature has helped you get where you are today. And now it's time for you to start to be who you really are out in the world. No more hiding. You've gone through some really hard times. See if you can take the time to reflect and acknowledge all of your achievements. This is the time to rest in and radiate in the energy of abundance. Then bring your abundant self out in the world for all to see. Along the way, don't forget to seek balance as you take care of yourself and your loved ones. A question you might ask yourself this month is, are there ways I can better care for myself? Our crystal ally is beautiful Moonstone, and working with her might just help you answer that question. I just brought out a few different specimens because Moonstone can come, I'm sure you know, but Moonstone can come in a variety of colors. So here's more of a peachy colored Moonstone, and here's kind of a gray Moonstone, and here's more of a beigey, whitish one. Her reflections are very different in colors. And her message, let's take her message directly from her lips is, it's a little messy in my book, so bear with me. Let's see. I am connected to the moon. And a bit mysterious, yes, but more than that, as are you. Let me start again. I am connected to the moon and a bit mysterious, yes, but I am so much more than that, as are you. See if you can connect to my vibration, my rhythm, and allow me to stabilize and bring harmony to you on your journey. I help shine a light on the voice deep within, your inner knowing that wants to be heard. It requires shutting off your thinking mind and accessing your body mind. There's so much wisdom there. Thank you, Moonstone. And it's so interesting that that's her message, because I woke up this morning wanting to tell you, and I forgot that I wanted to start this video with the message of nobody out here knows more than you know in here. So I so appreciate that you listen to my message every month, that you follow other people, wise people. But this is where your true inner knowing lies within. So that's where to pay attention and bounce ideas once you hear them within yourself to figure out your truth. I really, really do. I'm so grateful for all of you who take the time to read or watch my messages. I hope you find time to abundantly nurture yourself this month. Take good care and speak with you next month. Bye-bye.